If you're looking for a cute Easter craft ideas, check this out. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. Yes my friend, here I come with very easy and simple Easter bunny garland DIY in 2019. Let's create a beautiful Easter craft with little bit of imaginations. Are you ready? Then join me. But my friends, if you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started without wasting time. I have this template so you don't have to make your own. You just need to click the download button. It's in the description below. You just need to print and yeah, it's ready. Now cut them out very carefully with the help of the scissor. Make as many bunnies you want and any colors as per to your choice. I wanted to use different colors. If you want, you can use only one color. It's fine. Now take a bunny and a white pom-pom. Attach this pom-pom to the bunny with the help of hot glue. Keep on repeating to the remaining bunnies. Now take a string or a ribbon and with the help of hot glue, attach it as shown. Your Easter bunny garland is ready for hanging. Do comment below, did you like it? Isn't it a super cute to make with little bit of imaginations? Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media and hashtag Sangeeta's Creations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.